Okay, I'm gonna do this video on tracing and transferring this image to this canvas board here. This 8x10 canvas board, one image that I actually, I used the computer to make this image actually, to use Illustrator. But you can trace an image using techniques we did earlier this semester. Or there's also, I have some tutorials online on how to use LiveTrace in Illustrator to reduce the information on your picture. So then we're going to transfer it. So you want to use transfer paper, or you could, use graphite pencil over the back of this image or whatever. This is just a printout. So I'm gonna use the transfer paper with the dark side down. First, I'm going to tape my image in place where I want it, though, on my board. And I'm just using masking tape here. So I'm going to tape it down first so that it doesn't move when I'm tracing. So I'm just going to use some tape. You can see I've taped it down quite a few times. I've traced this image. So yeah, so just tape it where you want it, get it centered on your board or whatever you think it should be. I think it's a little closer on that side than I'd like it. So you can always move it over if you want. Let's get it where I want it. Okay. All right, then tape it down. All right, so now you just simply slide the paper underneath. And use a red pen is what I like to use, or a green pen, so that, because I've already traced this in black, you can see, or they printed it in black. That way I can see where I've been. Now I've already traced over this image a few times with a red pen, so quite honestly, red pen is not the best idea for me right now. I should probably use green, another color. But just to give you an idea, I'm just tracing this. And you can check by flipping up, and you can see that it's tracing beautifully. See that? You don't have to be afraid of, you can push hard on this because you're painting. You're going to be painting this. And you should be able to cover pretty easily. Colors like yellow might have a little bit of trouble covering over things, but the other colors should be fine. With yellow, you could mix a little white into your yellow, and that would help it actually to give you better coverage. Actually makes it so it's less transparent. All right, so I'm just tracing this just to give you an idea of the basic outline. I won't do the whole thing because, well, that's boring. All right, so you can see I'm getting my, it's transferring here properly. So you can just keep flipping it up. Just make sure that this tape is in place, and you can keep checking to your heart's content. That's why I use two nice sturdy pieces of tape here, and then you can go back in and keep tracing what you need to trace. See? Okay, and that's about it. Just trace the whole thing. You'll be making 6 of these. 6 different ones on 8x10s or 6 different ones on 18x24. Thank you.